these out, guys. These are perfect for your kids to take them out hiking, walking, indoor, outdoor. Look at the soles, different sizes they have. The soles are beautiful. They have nice grips. The rubber's all around the front, and it's cloth on the top, and it has these elastic shoelaces. All right, so they don't come out. All you got to do is velcro them and set them up, and that's pretty much what you do. So they kind of look like fingers from the front, but they're not. All right, they're just to keep that cover extra security. And of course the mesh is perfect, so when they sweat, you know they're not going to sweat too much on these because they're fabric. All right, the bottom's rubber, the top's fabric.